Hi guys, so today I am here to show you two things. One is commission percentage calculation on this profit column and another is performance calculation depending on profit and sale column. So this is basically an example guys, so you can use this formula for any of your need. It may be a student performance, student stipend, or it can be anything for your daily need where you can where you can see the performance or you can calculate the commission percentage. So let's begin. So I have written a question also here. As per our understanding, we want to determine commission percentage for each salesman depending on sale amount. The profit greater than 100, then commission will be 5%. If profit within 50 and 100, then commission will be 2.5%. And if profit less than 100, then commission will be 1.5%. So our formula is this: if E2 greater than 100. Okay, so here it is something wrong. Okay, let's try this. So this is I'm going to do right now. Okay, first one. You can write it down. Okay, let's come here. If E2 greater than 100, then it will be 5%. 5%. Else, if in all operation E2 greater than is equal to 50, E2 less than 100, it will be it will be 2.5%. Else, if these two criteria are not satisfied, then it will be 1.5%. So generally if function takes three arguments. So first one is E2 greater than 100, second one is 5% if it is satisfying this criteria, or else again I am putting one if condition. So this is still this. So basically if function is taking three argument, so last argument is again if command, and within that if function I am using again or operation. So or E2 greater than 50 or E2 less than 100, then it will be 2.5%, else it will be 1.5%. Let's see. So here you see sale is sorry, profit is 46. So that is less than 50, right? Less than 50, greater is equal to 50 to less than 100. Anything. Oh, okay. I want to use the AND operation here because I need to satisfy both the criteria. It will be greater than 50 and less than 100. Then only it will be 2.5. So as per this, the profit is less than $50. So commission will be 1.5. Okay. Now I can drag this formula here. So this profit is greater than 100, so commission will be 5%. This is less than $50, so commission will be 1.5%. Okay guys, so now we can calculate the performance. So performance I'll be calculating depending on profit and sale. So if any of this value is greater than $100, then performance will be good. If any of this value is less than $100, then performance need to be improved. So suppose in this case, it will sale is greater than $100 and profit is less than 50. So performance is good. And here it is sale is greater than 100, profit is also greater than 100, so it will be good. And here you see it is less than 100 and profit is also less than 100, so it will be need improvement. So in this way I want to write the formula. So it will be if uh, or I will be using OR operation because it is either of these two values. So this is B2 cell. So if OR B2 greater than 100, else E2 greater than 100, then C argument I told already if is taking. So if it is satisfying this criteria, it will be good performance, else it will be need I am it will be need improvement. So let's see. I was writing in wrong place actually the formula. It should be in this first place. So here it is good. So again I think guys there is some problem. If or B2 greater than 100, B2 greater than 100 or E2 greater than 100, then performance is good, else need improvement. Okay. Here see, it is less than 100 and it is less than 100, so it is need improvement. But here if it is less than 100 but it is greater than 100, so it is good. Similarly here both the value are greater than 100, so performance is good. So that's it guys. You can I will give this formula in the link below in the description tab of my YouTube video, so you can take from there and you can practice and let me know if you have any query, and do subscribe and comments if you have any query and like it also. Thank you.